project was into making associates architects, and initially when we started Block A, there was no set brief for what sort of way this building should look like, and it was really left to us to design the entire turnkey building for the client. And I think that initially the way we decided to do this project was a lot more different than anything we've done before, which is dark colours, which would be challenging. When we started designing our lights, I think the challenge for us was the dark finishes and how to tie everything together and still make the building work. And I think the team in ECI did a wonderful job with selecting light fittings for us, doing the layouts, and just assisting us on every step of the project. We'd like to make life easier for clients by, if they have a large office building, to try simplify it for them so they can orientate themselves around the building much easier. And that's where the lights actually play a huge part, where we colour code the floors, and even just the feature lights help people to orientate where they could be in the building, so they remember that this atrium is distinct from the other atrium. And like that, we have picked green colours for second floor, gold for first floor, and bronze autumn colours for the ground floor. ECI team helped us with bespoke acoustic panels incorporated with lighting on this project. The way it progressed was addition to the building. It wasn't really we weren't quite sure is it going to be a restaurant as such, or there will be two split parts in it. So the brief developed as the project progressed, and we had quite a challenge of creating the two different atmospheres once the decision was made on splitting the restaurant into two, where you have a servery area and you have a coffee area. The way we approached the design was to create this warm, kind of sort of home feel type of environment rather than being work. When we approached Jim, it was again the same theme following through with dark colours, which is quite challenging again for trying to create the right environment for people to be comfortable in. And I think we went down the road again to try to create it as cozy as possible so people don't feel exposed, and ECI team assisted us along the way, trying to make the right decisions on the light fittings, something that wouldn't be glaring in your eyes, would be just comfortable for people to be in. I suppose the big item in this building was all about reflection, and we selected a lot of glass in this building, and light plays a huge role in this overall design, because without the light you wouldn't see the whole finished building. As you can see, the reflection on the balustrades, the full height glass, it just looks beautiful. Collab areas, we have, as the design progressed, we were asked to incorporate collab areas. These are quite important for people to get together, to get away from their workstations and kind of get under a really comfortable area. And I think light selected here for the collab areas really does the trick, as they kind of invite you to sit under them and collaborate, which is a huge part in this business. Approach for a reception in this building was to create first impression with cutting-edge technology, cutting-edge lighting types. So I believe we are first in Ireland to use this type of light, this fitting, and it worked quite well, and I think we achieved the effect we wanted, the wow effect. Tea stations in this building nearly act like a collab area. They are kind of parts where you can sit and enjoy your meal, or you can come down and sit with your laptop kind of thing. Again, you have that effect of the light just drawing yourself to that area that you can sit under and feel unexposed, comfortable, nearly like home. The way we wanted to design the meeting space in this office to represent the youth of this building, to show that the people that work here, they really want to show what they have. They want to be bold and use dark colours, and again the light is like an accent throughout the rooms that is it is the feature rather than just used for lighting the room. So I think that's the biggest thing in this building. We use the light as the finishing item rather than the actual physical light. My favourite part, I think the whole building, it's just the way, I can't wait for this light to come in, I can't wait for that light to come in. It's just, it is the finishing, it's the dot on I that kind of makes the building become whole and complete. The reflections, everything when it comes on, and especially when it gets dark in this building, it's just something else. So I think the team in ECI did great. Thank you, Martina. So the reason we choose ECI on all our projects is because the ease and the conversation we can open with Martina and the rest of the team, that we can easily translate, even if we're not sure what we want to say, seem to understand exactly what we want. Sometimes we struggle to pick out light types and it could be frustrating, but I think we get there eventually. But I think it's mostly the team and the way people work with you, they really work with you.